Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C11. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store. Search for battery notification sound. Download and install this app. Then open it. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source.
Disconnected.
Name your function, give it description, and tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.